Have you ever seen a beautiful roof become rusty, faded, and damaged after just a few years? Many homeowners spend millions of naira building their dream homes, but chose low-quality roofing materials that cannot withstand Nigeria's harsh weather. The result? Leaks during the rainy season, faded colors under the hot sun, expensive repairs every few years. At Blue Sky, we believe your roof should protect your investment for decades. Our roofing tiles are manufactured with premium materials designed for strength, durability, and long-lasting beauty. Fade-resistant colors, excellent corrosion resistance, strong and weatherproof, modern and elegant appearance, suitable for homes, schools, churches, and commercial buildings. Whether you are building a new house or replacing an old roof, we have a roofing solution that combines quality, beauty, and value. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust our roofing products. Contact your local distributors for pricing, colors, and nationwide delivery. Blue Sky Quality Roofs. Lasting protection.